Here we are at Stevens Pass with Felicia and Marcus, and we're doing some sledding. We're thinking of maybe hitting that hill right over there. You can see the sled hill.
Jackson? So Marcus, where are you?
Oh, you think you're laying back?
Pull me up. Pull me up. I say on your mark.
Sit, get, go!
Ready?
Jackson!
Was that fun?
Yeah, I'm gonna do it again. Again, I'm
You're
gonna do
terrified
it.
on his face until he stopped.
Oh yeah, that was not a happy look.
That was awesome. You should have given me your phone so I could have videotaped that. Oh, Mike's videoing. For everybody to see.
I was trying to...
It wasn't too bad.